Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, August 3rd, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Over the weekend, Friday was the last day of July of trading, and over the weekend I updated our spreadsheets and was kind of looking at our statistics for 2015, and we had really good trading for the first 3 months of 2015. We were really doing well. In fact, we were on course for making 100% annually at the end of March. And then we got into April. We had really good trading the first 2 weeks of April, and then toward the end it started to slide off, and we had a couple horrible days toward the end of April. So we ended up squeaking out of April with just a few $1,000s in profits. And then in May, June, and July, we have had 3 consecutive losing months. Now, I've been posting this stuff on a website since 2009, and I don't think I've had 3 consecutive losing months in a row. It's just really unusual. So all I'm saying is that we are hopefully at the bottom of a very, very bad period here of trading, and we're due for a turnaround. Of course, today was the first day of August, and that turnaround didn't come. We really had just another lousy day. We closed out $3,700 negative in closed out trades. We're carrying negative $2,100 going into tomorrow, and the Dow sold off 91. Now, all this wouldn't have me quite so down if I wasn't looking at this pattern of the Dow. The Dow sold off very strong. I think I called it down for today, but anyway, it sold off very, very strongly. It was down, I think it was down a couple hundred points down here. But what bugs me is it comes back. It does this bounce, and even though it ended up closing down 91, it's pretending like it got it all out of its system down here, and now it's gonna bounce. And the problem with this is I see this bounce, it's just being kind of a continuation of this bounce action that we saw a few days ago that was totally phony. I mean, we just really didn't make any money on this. And if it bounces from here, I don't think we're going to make any money from here either. I want to see this thing go down, and I would have felt a whole lot better if I'd seen this thing go down, maybe go down another 100 points, close down 300 points today or something like that. No. It had to do this bounce, ends up closing down 91, which is just kind of, well, what does it mean? I don't believe in the strength in this market right now. I'm going to call it down tomorrow, knowing that I could be wrong. We'll just have to see. But nothing that it's going to do tomorrow is really going to improve the positions we're currently in my opinion. Anyway, I'll show you a couple of the trades we had. I'll show you the worst trade we had today. This was in Juno Therapeutics, and we had bought this on Friday about the middle of the day. Pretty much got the top of the market there, and it sold off, and we were stopped out this morning with a $3,000 loss. Big loss, but I'm glad we got out. I mean, the thing just kept going. I mean, very weak stock here, not doing anything for us right now. This was counterbalanced by one, this was the best trade we had, and this was in Shake Shack, and we had bought this on Friday midday, and we popped up here, and we got out on it with a $4,000 gain. So the $4,000 gain, but better than canceled out Juno. The problem is we had a whole bunch of other smaller losing trades, and that all added up. So we ended up with a negative $3,700 on the closeout, and really nothing we got into today is very spectacular at all, so I don't really have anything to show you. So after 3 consecutive losing days in a month, we have lost money in the first day of August. I certainly hope this gets better. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday.